So at Cream, an ice cream shop in Berkeley, California, they make some of the best sandwiches, ice cream sandwiches known to mankind. They put creamy ice cream of thickness Ti and flexibility Fi in between two cookies of thickness Tc and flexibility Fc. So the idea for insulated to-go boxes for the sandwiches was brought up at a company meeting. If the misfit of the sandwiches to the to-go box is S, our goal is to find the forces on the outside of the box needed to contain the yumminess of their sandwiches. Okay, so when we place the cookie into the insulated box, we know the forces must be equal. So R up must equal R down. Next, we apply the force displacement since the dimensions of the cookie changes when it is put into the insulated box. So the change in the thickness of the ice cream we know is equal to the flexibility of the ice cream times R up or R down, since they are the same thing. And again, for the cookie, the change in in thickness of the cookie is the flexibility of the cookie times R. So we need one more thing to solve this, and this is a statically indeterminate problem. So compatibility. So initially, we know that the thickness of the cookie, of two cookies, plus the thickness of the ice cream is equal to the opening of the insulated container plus the misfit. So 2Tc plus Ti is equal to H plus S. At the end, when the cookie is in the insulated box, 2 times the thickness of the cookie plus delta C, the change in thickness of the cookie, plus the initial thickness of the ice cream, plus its change, delta I, must equal S. So from these equations, we can combine them and plug in the values of delta I and delta C into here. And by doing that, we get -2 FC R up minus F I. Oh, sorry. First we have to subtract these. So after subtracting these, the TC's cancel, so we're left with -2 delta C minus, those cancel, delta I is equal to S. Oops, sorry, this should be H. This is the height of the insulated container. So when plugging delta I and delta C into this equation, we now obtain -2 Fi R up minus FCR down, and that is equal to S. And since R up is equal to R down, we can just solve for R up, and that is equal to minus S over 2 plus 2F of the cookie. And this is our answer, and the force needed in terms of the flexibility and the misfit of the insulated box needed to contain the yumminess.